Welcome to today's video. In this video I'm going to share with you a piece of software which is absolutely free to use, and we're going to use a couple of different websites. So you're going to need to watch this video till the end, because if you don't watch it till the end then you're going to miss some of these steps. But this method, it's free, it's available worldwide, and you can earn some pretty decent money as you're going to learn in this video. And all I ask in return is, if you find this useful, then please give the video a like or drop a comment down below. I'd really appreciate that. And for more resources for earning online and working from home, you can go over to my website, which you can see on the screen, and we've been sharing articles for making money online for a number of years. But let's look at today's video and let's look at these different websites we're going to need, and we'll go through this process. So the first website we're looking at is Instagram. Okay, now over on Instagram we're going to be using this in conjunction with this website over here. Now this website is not the free bot that we're going to be looking at. This is one step of this process, okay? But first we need we need a method for making money. So for this we're going to come over to this website over here, which is called ClickBank. Now on here we can find you see on the screen here, we can find products in different niches and categories, whereby we simply click on promote and we can earn money for promoting and sharing that product. Now you can use this with any affiliate network. You can also use this with CPA marketing. You can use this on Warrior Plus, Share a Sale, and many more. The reason why we normally start with ClickBank is it's available in 98 countries. It's free to sign up, and you can get a product and start sharing that product very simply. So in here on the left hand side, I've just clicked on business and investing, and the reason being is, if we come over onto Instagram and we're just going to scroll down, basically we're going to find some posts or videos which we can download. Okay, so if I come up here, I'm just going to type in motivation like so, and then I'm going to hit on enter, and we can see we've got all of these different ones down here. So I'm just going to go to any. The first one will do. Okay, so we can see here 259,000 followers, and they've done 4,000 posts, and bizarrely they're not monetizing this channel. So you can come through and you can find any one of these videos, okay? And with this method it works pretty good. So let's just click on this Jordan Peterson one, and I'm just going to pause this really quickly. So if I wanted to download this video here, okay, I copy this like so, and I come over to here and I paste that into here, okay? And then I hit on enter, and basically you can see we have to wait a second. Let me just consent to this and basically it's just going ahead, and there is our video. So we can see the number of views, number of comments, and we can download this here, okay? So step one is we decide on a category. So in this example we're going into motivation, but you can do this in any category, it doesn't matter. And we go ahead and we download these videos. Now the one thing we need to remember is we need to remember to give credit to this channel over here. So in the comment section or in the video here, we would just put credit to this motivation stories here, and I'd also keep a note of the hashtags that they're using in each one of these posts, okay? But find a number of channels within a certain category or a niche, and then we download their videos here using this piece of software. And the thing is, what you've got to remember about Instagram and these short videos over here, these are more than likely a re-upload from another account, because these sorts of motivation short stories, they're being uploaded onto Instagram all of the time. And a lot of the time people are finding these videos on TikToks and other platforms. But we always want to remember to go ahead and just credit where we found it, okay? So we download a load of these here using this igram.io. Once we've downloaded a lot of these, we create an account on Instagram, which is absolutely free. So we've decided on a niche. We've got a lot of videos here that we're downloading. We then need a product or products that we're going to share and have a link to in our Instagram account. Now, here is a free website. Again, this is called linktr.ee. Now basically on here, what this allows you to do is, as you can see on the screen here, instead of having just one link over on Instagram, you can have a number of options on here. So let me show you how this is, because again, this is absolutely free. So we're going to log in. Let me move my head and click on accept, and then I'm just going to log in, and I'll show you how my Linktree actually looks. Because if you go over to Instagram, I mean, don't go on my profile, it's pretty terrible, but if you go over on, well, you can do if you want, and basically we have a link on Instagram. Now you see this up here, this is mine, so I'm going to click on here. Let me just get rid of this like so, and I'm going to click on this and open it into a new tab so you can see how it looks. So we've got my logo up here, and then we've got my username, and then we've got these here. Okay, now this is on the front end. On the back end, this is what it looks like, literally like this. So we have the text up here, then we have a link to the product, or service, or basically wherever we want to send that traffic to. Okay, so you create an account on Linktree completely for free. Then what you do is you go over to Instagram, you go over to ClickBank, and you get the product that you're wanting to promote. So in this example, you can see the average conversion is $189.08. So if I click here, it will show me the sales page where we're sending the traffic to. Okay, so you want to have a look at the sales page and make sure it looks good, and also we want to find out a bit more about the product. So in this example here, this is in the business and investing category. This is, what is this? It's trading basically. So you see where it says affiliate page? I can also click on there and I can find out more information about the product. Okay, so let me go back. We'll go back, and basically any products which you want to promote over on ClickBank here, all you do is you click on promote. Okay, so let's just go back to this one here. Was it this one? Where's it gone? I've lost it. Oh, this one here. So we click on promote, and it will tell you how much you can earn. So you can see up here we earn 50% commission for everybody who buys this product. So we click on generate hop link, and now I have got a long link. Okay, so I'm going to copy that link here, and let's just go and have a look at the actual sales page and have a look at this. So failure to make money from trading is not your fault. Basically, I'm just looking for some form of headline. This will do here. So I'm going to come back over to Linktree here, and I click on add a new link. Now here I put the title and I've got the URL. So let me put the URL in there. So that's the long link from ClickBank, and then I give it a title. So if I go back over to here, this here could be my title. Okay, so let me get rid of this and paste that into there, and then I click on there, and then basically in a second you can see it's updated over here. So if I go back over to my original one and refresh that, we'll see a new link, and you can see here at the top. So if someone clicks on there now, it opens up in a new tab and it takes them over to the product on ClickBank. And it basically, because it's our own ID, it tracks back to us, and we can earn an affiliate commission for basically sending traffic over to that sales page. So this over here, sorry, excuse me, this Linktree is absolutely free. Coming over to Instagram, Instagram is absolutely free, and at this moment in time I've said to look at motivation. If you wanted to be a bit more specific about this, like over here, this is what Forex trading and other bits, you could come over here and type in Forex, or you could type in investing, or anything like this, anything related to your category that you're going into. So let's look at this one here, investing idea, and you can come along here, and you can also look, we can download this video here, and you can also download images. So once you've got your Linktree over here and it's set up like so with your different affiliate links and different products in, we've then found different accounts over on Instagram where we're downloading these images and these videos. The next step of this would obviously, you would create your account and you'd start uploading your videos and images. And here where we have a link, so if I just go to my page really quickly, you can see on here where it says Linktree. So this is where you would put your Linktree account, and all you do for this, you just click on edit profile and you put your link in here. Okay, so it's straightforward and simple. Now this moves us on to whereby we can get this free bot, because ultimately you want your account to grow and you want to be finding people who are obviously interested in that category or that niche. So what would you do? Well, you'd come over to this account here, and we scroll down and we'll just click on the first one here. So we can see this person has commented, this person, and we can also see it's also got 149 likes. So if I click on there now, we can see all of these accounts over on Instagram like this post. So that means they're interested in this topic or this subject. So how can we, use that to our benefit? Well, we if you wanted to do this manually, you could go and follow all of these people individually, all of these accounts. Now, you wouldn't want to go too insane and, follow 100 of these accounts a day. You'd probably start around the 5 to 10 mark, but that is going to be time consuming. Instead, you can use this software over here, and it's absolutely free, and it's a Chrome extension. And it's called the Growbot Automator for Instagram. We can see it's currently got 50,000 users, and it's got a 4 out of 5 star rating. And if we come down here, you can see this is how it looks. And basically, you add this to your extension, and then you tell it which accounts you want it to, like and follow. So in this example, we'd come over here, and we'd come down and we'd click on likes, and we'd just follow these accounts on here. And that's basically how this whole method works. This extension over here is absolutely free. You can go through, have a look at this. You can also look at the reviews on here and, go through and have a look and see what everyone's saying. But it's absolutely free. It will save you a lot of time and effort. And once you've got this up and running, it's not going to take a lot of time on your behalf, because the videos are all on Instagram. We're getting them for free using this website over here to download them. ClickBank is free, whereby you can find the products to promote them. Linktree is absolutely free as well to set this up. And also this Growbot over here, this is free. So what will this method take? It will take some time and effort, and then you're up and running with this. So look, that's today's video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please give the video a like. I'll leave a couple more videos up on the screen for you to have a watch of. But overall, I think you'll agree, straightforward and simple. So thanks again, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.